Welcome to RJ Tamil Windows. Tamil Windows. Tamil Windows.
RJ Tamil Windows videos exclusive in English. This is our first video, so if we are going to do any mistakes instead of videos, you should forgive us. Our content and our motive is give the content to all visually impaired people. So we thought it will not stop for only the language problem. So we are planning to give all the contents in English to you. Okay friends, this is our first videos in English, so I know very well we are going to do a lot of mistakes in the video. If you found that kind of mistakes, please let us know by the comment. Okay friends, today we are going to talk about the Huawei phones. You people are knowing very well about Huawei and Honor, that kind of phones which is running under Harmony OS. Actually Google has been removed their license, Android license from that kind of companies. So they are invent new platform for them and new app store, everything for separate. Like that they have created a new screen reader for their customers. That is one of the best screen reader I thought, because some of the options we are not accessible in a talkback also. We are not having good accessible in talkback, but they are doing well in a screen reader. They are concentrated very well. So now we are going to talk about that screen reader. Now I opened that. Really I will give that link to description. You can download it from there, and as usual you can install and come to accessibility and downloads, enable that screen reader, then you can redirect it to here. Okay, now I open that screen reader settings. Here we are just going to talk about some of the options. We are not going to complete everything in this these settings. We're just going to cover only few things. Okay, really I know I'm doing wrong in English, so communication is only tool for communicate with you all, that's why. Okay friends, now I open some of the option we are very familiar, so I'm only going to do something which you are not aware. Okay, this no. Okay, the speak notification. If you receive notification from WhatsApp or somewhere else, it will start to continuously reading your notifications. So you can control that kind of things here. Just open it. Always speak. Only speak when screen is unlocked. Only speak when screen is locked. I think never speak. I checked this. So you can modify as usual your wish. Okay. Okay, cancel. Toast messages are already I disabled it, so it's need not. Okay, if app is not spoken, it will really automatically refreshing their content, its content. So okay, so it's turned on, enabled. Okay, this kind of options you can control it from here, and you can control it from swiping characters, words, and continue like that. Okay, it should not spoken unlabeled. So okay, when the screen is unlocked, it should not notify you. So okay, if it is locked, it's not notify you. If you want like that, you can do like that. System volume, the percentage of volume increasing and decreasing, it should know you. So okay, it should on. Okay, passwords are already spoken, always spoken. No, it's already turned on. If you want, you can turn off it. Okay. Menu style list, you have two options here. Check list and circle. I think list is almost useful for all. Okay, I don't want to change anything. Okay, here you have good options. One If you want to increase your volume of accessibility, if you press volume button and go to sound settings, and you can do something. Or if you have another options, but here they are providing good options. If you press and hold the screen, and then you can increase your volume, your accessibility volume only increase. Otherwise, if you want to increase your media volume, you need not to press anything. You just press volume buttons, it will increase. Like that options we have. Enable. Okay, focus speed. If you're hearing any songs, if you're listening to any music, I think it will not provide you. So like if you use mobile phone, it will not accessible volume for you. If you want to get good accessible volume when you're using like that, you can enable it. So it's off already. I don't want it. Okay, proximity sensor. If your talkback is continuously speaking, now you can just show your hand front of the screen or mirror. It will silence. Okay, it's enabled. Double tap and double tap to hold like that. It will speak when you're not touching a mobile. If you're not confirm anything, so it should on. Custom gestures, you can it's nothing but it's a talkback gestures options. You can modify the settings, gesture settings as you wish. Oh, sorry. Custom gestures. Okay, custom gestures are well known, so we are going to know custom shortcut. Custom shortcut is nothing but you people are knowing a volume mapper, like a button mapper. That is an individual app can control your apps or functions through volume button. So that option already here they are given inbuilt, so you need not to install any other applications for your convenience, and you don't want to waste your internal storage or whatever. It's on already. Double press volume none. Okay, I'll just custom anything here. Okay, just a sec. If I press already, if I press volume up, it will redirect me to WhatsApp. Let me check. Wait, just a sec. Okay, so we don't want that. Okay, single touch for your home and overview button and your back button. If you click this, if you are turned on, it will only allow you to single touch of your back button or home or overview. When you touch single time, your function will work for these three buttons only. Touch exploration on. Okay, sound here you speak volume now, so you can customize like that, like your dragging sound like that. Okay, some sound here you can listen that. You can change that sound as per your wish here. Classic. I had changed that. Okay. Okay, single touch already we have, so I just enabled it. Vibration feedback enable, or I need to disable it. Custom label, you can here import your labels and export your labels as per your wish. If you have already labeled anything you have stored on your device, you can import and export that. Okay, speak. Okay, when you are speaking call, while this notification sound will disturb you, talkback also will read continuously. So if you disable it, you cannot hear that sound. You will not disturb by talkback. You can do your work. Okay, you have call gestures also. Default, custom. Okay, custom means you can customize as per your wish. Answer swipe right and impulse swipe left, swipe up. Okay, if you want to change this customization, you can change. Already they are assigned answer button by swipe right you can, if you want to change that no, you can change as per your wish. Swipe left and right, swipe right and left. Okay, you can modify as per your wish, but I don't want to modify that. Okay, that's enough here. Okay friends, I think you loved our video. If you loved our video, please click like. If you don't want this kind of videos in English, you can dislike our video. First, if you want to continuously get videos from our channel, please subscribe our channel and click notification bell icon. Then only you can get all videos uploaded by our channel. Okay friends, I know I'm doing lot of mistakes in English here, so I can assure you can understand what I'm telling exactly. So I don't want other than that. So thank you friends. If you like our videos, do whatever I said. Okay, I will meet you in another video. Bye bye.